Most people believe first impressions happen when they start speaking, but that assumption is completely wrong. Your impression is already formed before your first word even leaves your mouth, silently and instantly. In fact, within a fraction of a second, the human brain makes rapid judgments about confidence, trust, and status. These judgments are automatic, unconscious, and incredibly difficult to reverse once they've been established in someone's mind. This means people aren't reacting to what you say first. They're reacting to what they see and feel. And if that initial signal is off, you spend the rest of the interaction trying to fix it. Here's the dangerous part most people don't realize. Being memorable isn't always a good thing. If your first impression is weak, nervous, or closed off, that becomes the label attached to you. And once that label exists, every future interaction is filtered through that same perception again and again. So instead of building connection, you're constantly trying to repair something you didn't even know was broken. Now imagine flipping this entirely, where people instantly see confidence, presence, and clarity the moment you appear. That's the power of understanding first impressions, not as luck, but as something you can intentionally design. Before you ever speak, your body communicates a message that people instantly interpret without conscious thought. Most people walk into rooms trying to avoid attention, unintentionally shrinking their presence and signaling uncertainty to others. They check their phones, scan the floor, or pretend to be busy just to avoid being noticed. But this behavior doesn't make you invisible. It makes you appear insecure and disconnected from your environment. Your posture, eye line, and movement silently tell people whether you belong in that space or not. And the moment you look closed off, others subconsciously decide you lack confidence or authority. This is why presence is everything, because your body introduces you long before your words ever can. If your body says, "I don't belong," your voice will struggle to convince anyone otherwise afterward. The solution is simple but powerful, something called the doorway reset that instantly changes your energy. Before stepping into any room, pause briefly and consciously adjust how you carry yourself physically. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and imagine a string gently pulling your head upward into alignment. Then walk forward with calm intention, not rushed, not hesitant, but fully present in your movement. This small adjustment doesn't just change how others see you. It changes how you feel internally as well. And when your body feels confident, your voice naturally follows with more clarity, strength, and authority. Most people spend time improving how they look, but completely ignore how they sound when speaking. Your voice carries authority, confidence, and emotion, shaping how others perceive you the moment you begin talking. You can look polished and well-dressed, but your voice can instantly weaken that entire first impression. Tone, pace, clarity, and energy all combine to create what's called your vocal image. People quickly judge your credibility based on how clearly and confidently you express your thoughts verbally. A weak voice signals uncertainty, while a controlled and calm voice signals confidence and authority. The problem is most people are completely unaware of how they actually sound during real conversations. You only hear your voice internally, which is very different from how others experience it externally. This lack of awareness creates blind spots that quietly damage your communication without you even noticing. The fastest way to fix this is by recording yourself speaking naturally without any script or preparation. Talk for several minutes about anything meaningful, allowing your natural speech patterns to fully reveal themselves. Then wait before watching it, giving yourself emotional distance to observe without harsh self-judgment. When you finally watch it, you'll notice habits, patterns, and behaviors you never realized were holding you back. And once you see them clearly, you gain the power to refine your voice into something strong and impactful. Most people think making a powerful first impression means impressing others, but that mindset instantly creates pressure. When you focus on being impressive, your attention shifts inward, making you self-conscious and disconnected from others. Great communicators do the opposite. They focus outward and become deeply interested in the other person. They listen carefully, notice subtle details, and respond in ways that make people feel understood and valued. When someone feels genuinely heard, the interaction transforms from surface-level talk into a meaningful connection instantly. It's no longer about networking or small talk. It becomes a moment that actually leaves an emotional impact. This is why asking thoughtful questions is far more powerful than trying to deliver impressive answers. Curiosity builds connection, while self-focus quietly creates distance, even if your words sound polished. But here's where most people lose all the progress they've made during that first interaction completely. They walk away, never follow up, and slowly fade into just another forgotten face from that moment. To make your impression last, you must follow up within 24 hours with a thoughtful, specific message. Reference something meaningful you discussed, showing that you truly listened and remembered what mattered to them. Don't ask for anything. Don't pitch. Simply give value or encouragement without expecting anything in return. Because when you give first, people naturally remember you and feel a stronger desire to stay connected.